Open the door, man. Ah, if you ever see how man sweat out here. Come on, baby, man. Open the door, man.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
What's up, guys? How you doing? This is your girl come again with another banger video. Guys, this prank is gonna be epic. I saw this YouTuber who originated this prank, recent Kwan, guys. So I said I'm gonna try it in live, crying in the bathroom to get live reaction. He's not here, guys, but as soon as live pull in that gate, I'm gonna come back into this bathroom and start the pranking. I'm gonna cry. What do you think of this crying prank? I'm gonna prank him, guys, to see his reaction. So remember, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, turn that post notification on, show us some love, guys. Please don't just watch and not like the video, okay, guys? So thumbs up, comment down below, turn the post notification bell on, and share our video. Thank you. Mwah. Stay tuned for the prank.
Here. How you doing now? Sit here. Yeah. How are you? I do a lot. Yeah, good. How I do?
Yes.
Huh? You alright? Baby. How are you? You alright? How are you? Baby, how are you? Here. Now you know what I'm working to do. Tell me now. How are you? Baby. Come on. Baby, open the door, no man. If you ever see me, I sweat out you. Come on, baby, man. Open the door, man. Baby, what are you? Open the door, man. Here. Now you know why I open the door. Just start hurting the head. I'm going to come in. Nice and decent. Yeah, babe. Open the door, man. If you ever see a man sweat out here, come on, baby, man. Open the door, man. Yeah. Open the door. And you just start hurting your head. I'm going to come in nice and decent. Yeah? Yeah. Come on, man, open the door. Yo.
Oh, you pull the door.
I just start walking.
Yeah.
I start using my telekinesis and say, let's see what's going on.
Oh my God, baby, I just started the prank.
I can't believe it, yo. Cause my head start hot, me know, I start coming at the place nice and full of energy and and my head's, yo, right here somewhere.
Oh my, I'm sorry, babe.
Don't do that something there again, man.
Sorry.
John,
guys.
oh my.
I don't know. Oh, you get to pull the door and lock it from inside.
I just see my telekinesis and the door just start open.
My God. Oh my God.
When you love someone, magic things start to happen.
Guys, oh my God. Did you hear his reaction? But they're gonna see you because I put a camera right there for them to see you at the door. Look, that's a camera right there.
Tricky.
Oh my God. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Oh my God. I think it was a good prank. Baby, me say you rock off the door. You rock off the doorknob. So till you reach inside. Oh my God. Me shock when you pull it, you know. No, me shock when it open.
Oh
my God. Oh my.